HTVRONT Mini Heat Press 3 Tutorial. Enjoy our HTVRONT Mini Heat Press 3 in stylish colors: bubble blue, lavender purple, and laurel green. Click Power and set to adjust the temperature to 295 degrees Fahrenheit. Click Set again to set the time of 15 seconds. While the machine is heating up, you can fully use the time to prepare your design. Place a Teflon sheet on top. When the set button lights green, the machine has finished heating. Long press the power button for about 2 seconds to count down. Now, let's do the heat pressing. Once the countdown ends, the ironing process comes to an end too. What's more, our Mini Heat Press 3 is equipped with an upgraded 2-in-1 heat plate. Let's try sublimating a tumbler. Repeat the above moves and set the temperature and time to 370 degrees Fahrenheit, 130 seconds. Place the sublimation design on the tumbler and fix it with heat-resistant tape. Put the tumbler on the uniquely shaped stand. Once the set button turns green, apply the machine on the tumbler and long press power to count down. Let's go ironing. Ta-da! We've done it!